Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Do you ever have one of those days where you wake up, there's a tiger in the bathroom, you nearly poo yourself while having a wee, get knocked out by Mike Tyson? Damn! Lose your teeth, find a baby, lose the groom, and end up broke, stinking and destitute on a pavement. Well, it weren't that bad, but my head was killing me. So I cured it, like this. You get some mega thick Robert's white bread, just like cake. It's mega thick, look how thick she is. Mega thick. Just stodgy, gonna soak up all that nastiness, proper butter. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're digging what you're sigging. Plenty of butter, like heart attack amount of butter. Like you're talking 5 mil of butter on there, yeah? Real bacon if you want, but I'm vegetarian when it comes to pork pan the fork. So vegetarian corn, smoky bacon, trust me, bear with me, it bangs. Couple eggs them, Yes, we're gonna fry up the bacon, the bacon there. 3 rashers. Just let that sizzle, gonna get it nice and crunchy. Oh, you can smell it through the phone. Just give that couple minutes each side. If it's normal bacon, 3-4 minutes a side, or grill it, do whatever. Look, boom, use tongs or a fork if you're not a bad man like I. Just flip them over, nice. See, there's something there. I tell bacon. Yeah, sizzle them away. Trust me, even the smell of bacon, cup of coffee, this sandwich, your hangover will be no more. I guarantee ya. By midday. Follow on Instagram, flavor_station. It's litty on there, trust me. Trying to get to 500 followers. Dead out. It's taken me a year to do that. Now, 2 eggs, 1 hand, just anyhow, bam. Can't be bothered. Egg in there. Where's the second one? No shell though. Bad boy tings. Oh, as I said it. Bit of shell there, never mind. Michelle, ma belle. Hope I remove it. Ah, well, extra fibre, innit? Just let that egg seal up. Yeah, I picked it out. Bad boy. And then just give it a little pop the yolk. We're going to make like a half omelette kind of like thing. This is your protein. You're replacing your fats. You're carbing up. You're stodging up. You're going to have sugary sauce on there. Even a bit of cheese, I reckon. Yeah. Flip that. Looks like a white egg omelette. Lovely jubbly. Now you got your egg and your bacon all hot. Your bread. Tomato ketchup and brown sauce. If you're not from the UK, you don't know what brown sauce is. It's kind of like vinegary, sweet, spicy, garlicky, like just condiment. Peng. It's not barbecue. It's just, oh, yes. They love it. We love it. Bacon on there. Full flavoured British cheddar. Ooh. Sprinkle that on there and then put your egg on. That cheese will melt then. Bang your other lid on. Look at that. Flipper. Onto there. So unhealthy. But needs must. Look at that bad boy. If that had a hash brown in it. I'm telling you. Absolutely hangover cured. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Oh, damn. This is actually my 100th video. 100 videos. Click the thing, subscribe. Click that there and you can do the do. Search on Facebook and Twitter. And there's playlists to the right as well. Love you. Bye.